This brand name is licensed to Aroma International Limited and the units are made in China. The brand offers 3-stage purifiers with air quality sensors that can control the fan when the units are in the auto mode and change the color of a light to indicate the room's current air quality. The WPPRO 2000 models are available in pure white, black, or gunmetal colors and features a 4-speed fan with a 508 square feet coverage area and a 328 CFM delivery rate. The WPT80 model has a 3-speed fan with a 220 square feet coverage area while the WPT60 model has a 120 square feet coverage area. The units are pretty quiet with a 55 decibel noise rating even on high speed, which is much less than the level from a normal adult conversation. The units can be purchased directly through their website or Amazon store and they are backed by a pretty good guarantee. This brand receives an overall 4-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.